how to use AirPlay on your LG smart television. So if you want to go and cast your phone over to your television, then we can do this using a built-in feature called Apple AirPlay. Now, to get started, we need to make sure that our mobile and our television are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So you can see here on my mobile that I'm currently connected to this network, and I need to ensure that this is the same network that I'm connected to on my television. So you can do that just by pressing the settings icon on your TV remote control, and then you can just come down to network, and you'll need to go through the steps to set up your Wi-Fi connection. Now, once you've ensured both devices are on the same network, we're going to press the home button on your LG TV remote. And from the list of options in this navigation bar, you need to go and find the home dashboard. So this will be different on every model of television, but on my particular television, if I just scroll across on the right here, you can see this kind of home icon, and this is my home dashboard. I can also scroll downwards as well, and I can see the home dashboard from here. So I'm just going to click on this to load up the home dashboard. Now, once you're on this window, on the right hand side, you're going to see this option for AirPlay. So just use the arrow keys on your TV remote, and we're going to come over to AirPlay and click on this. Now, after a couple of seconds, that should load the AirPlay window, and we just need to come down to the AirPlay and HomeKit settings and click on this. Now, the very first thing you need to do is make sure AirPlay is turned on and enabled. Where it says require code, we're going to set this to first time only. And once you've done that, we can now come over to our mobile device. So from your mobile, what you need to do is swipe down in the top right hand side of the screen, and this should bring up the control center like so. Now, what you can do is press this kind of square icon here, which is your screen mirroring, and from the list of devices, you should be able to find your LG television. So as long as both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, your LG TV is going to appear here, and we can simply click on the device like so. And now a code should appear on your television, and this is the code that we need to enter into our mobile. So just go and enter the 4-digit code exactly as you see it on your screen. And once you've entered your code, it's going to be connected, and you should be able to see your phone on the television. Now, once you've entered this code, you won't need to enter it a second time. So the next time you go to connect your phone, it will just automatically connect. So now what you can do is just go and use your phone to mirror over to your television. So you could play videos or movies and that kind of thing. To go and stop the screen mirroring, we can do that on our mobile by pressing stop mirroring. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.